Why sleep quality matters.
Sleep is vital for health, mood, and productivity. Poor sleep can lead to fatigue, difficulty focusing, and a weakened immune system. Improving your sleep quality helps you perform better in daily life and supports long-term well-being. Modern technology, like wearable devices, offers new ways to understand your sleep and make positive changes.
How wearable devices track sleep.
Fitness trackers and smartwatches use sensors to monitor movement, heart rate, and more. They estimate when you fall asleep, wake up, and move through different sleep stages, like light and deep sleep. Most devices connect to smartphone apps, displaying your sleep data in easy-to-read charts, making it simple to spot habits and patterns.
Interpreting sleep data for improvement.
The real value of wearables comes from their insights. Look at your sleep duration, wake times, and interruptions. Notice trends such as not getting enough deep sleep or waking up frequently. Use this information to adjust your routine, maybe by winding down earlier or avoiding screens before bed.
Tips for getting the most out of your device.
For best results, wear your device consistently each night. Keep it charged and ensure it's properly positioned, usually on your wrist. Explore your app's features, like setting bedtime reminders or calming sounds. Some trackers also provide personalized tips, so pay attention to their suggestions for further improvement.
Turning insights into action.
Use what you learn to form healthier habits. Aim for a consistent bedtime, create a calm pre-sleep routine, and limit caffeine late in the day. Over time, monitor how changes affect your sleep quality scores. Small, steady adjustments can lead to lasting improvements and better overall health.